Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel BIM Structures. So this tutorial is about the units in Revit. So firstly we check the units. Simply press UN. And then we can see there are different disciplines: energy, HVAC, infrastructure, piping and structure. Firstly we see common or architecture units. Angle. Here is a unit for angle: degree, radian, degree, minutes, seconds, and this is the symbol for degree. The angle for area, you can select square feet, square meters, square inches, hectares, acres, and we can also select the symbol whether we can hit scale or SF. Then the cost per area and distance. You can select feet, inches, meters, and the other options. Then the units of length, whether you want to select feet and fractional inches or simple feet or millimeters, you can select according to your project. Then the mass, rotation angle, slope, speed, you can select miles per hour, kilometer per hour, meter per second, and the time, volume, and the currency. For currency, simply select from here. These are the different type of currencies. Simply we select dollar and press OK. So these are the common units. These are the energy units or electrical units. Electrical units, power, front, luminous, and these are other units. This is the unit for power, volt amperes, kilowatts, and these are the different units. Likewise, energy units, energy, whether you want to continue your project with calories, joules, kilowatts, and this is the specific heat, thermal mass or thermal resistance units, then the infrastructure units, feet, meters, US survey feet, HVAC units, airflow, cooling factor, and the other things, friction and heat loss and heat gain. Piping units, density, flow, pipe dimensions, and the structural units, acceleration, area, force, frequency, period, whether you want to select seconds, hours, milliseconds. These are the different type of units we can select from here. Velocity units, feet per second, or whichever you want to keep for your project. So after specifying units, simply press OK. So this is the basic tutorial about units. Hope you understand it. If you have any question or any query, kindly ask me in comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.